Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the self-care Sunday outfit on Dress to Impress. I'm just trying to show you guys how you can create kind of a robe if you don't have that title yet. So I'm just going to use this, and the second toggle, I'm just going to color it pink, but you can choose white as well for this like outfit theme. I'm going to also select these flip-flops in pink. And then I'm also going to use this in pink. Also, you do need VIP for this, so please don't come at me in the comments, please. Anyways, the rest you need in the VIP section, you need this one in no corset and fur. I'm just going to color it all matte in this like pink color. And then we do need this one in matte as well as in this pink color and in this pink color, sorry. And then you will need this one in the cropped, and you need to toggle on fur, and you need to color everything this pink color. And I'm just going to get a phone just to like pose with, but you don't need to. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.